Hey! Calling all parents of tots and early school-age children who've shown a little bit of interest in music. My name is Tim. My company, RippleRhythm, is thrilled to be offering a 4-week parent-child hand drum and music Playshop series. Yeah, there's going to be tons of hand drums and percussion items. There's going to be singing, dancing, rhythm, lots of games and interactive activities that will nurture you and your child's passion for exploring the magic of music together while accidentally, encouraging cooperation, concentration, creativity, and all kinds of other fun stuff. So join us every Sunday from June 9th to June 30th at Spun Studio, 957 Bloor Street, West Toronto. The drums are provided, but the space is limited. So to make sure you save yourself a spot for you and your child, click that email to register button at the bottom of the ad, and we'll see you on June 9th. Come on and play!